It's been a long time I was sitting here. What I see over there is the view towards the southern coast of the island. I see thousands of rain clouds are forming. The mountain down there, right next to it, if you carefully see, there's a huge rain cloud. Actually, it's raining over there. I see it's coming little by little towards me, to this mountain. It's really soothing, calm and quiet. Not so quiet, by the way. I hear a chanting of a Hindu temple behind me. Other than that, it's only the bird songs, the wind songs, and some strange creatures. It's a kind of a meditation, observing this scenery every evening and in every morning. I feel like these mountains are talking to me. I can feel them. They have a lot of things to tell. The only thing is, they need someone to observe them. If you observe, you will hear. If you are too busy, they are not ready to tell you anything. Did you see the lake over there? Right over there, far away. Yeah. I can count literally 10 to 11 small lakes and 3 big ones. If you're lucky enough, you will see the mist is forming down there in the land. Then it flows uphill. Define the all odds, define the gravity. It's flowing uphill. It proves that nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Stay silent. You might hear a lot of creatures, a lot of creatures. Crickets, frogs, bats. The rain is little by little getting closer to me. So there. Yes. It's raining over there. I should buy a tripod. I'm just hand holding this. This is a really nice place to explore yourself, to explore myself, actually. If you want to find you when you're missing you, you got to come to the top of a mountain. When it's windy, when it's not so sunny, when it's misty, or when it's rainy, you will definitely find yourself. I know most of people, they miss their self in the busy world. Can't complain. That's how the life is. But at least there should be a few days that they should stay away from the busy world to explore, to observe, to find themselves. Then only they will feel like they are living. Rain is again getting closer to me. Slowly, this time really slowly. Yesterday it was super fast. If you stay silent, you will hear the rain sound from far away, really far away. It was raining over there to the south, but now the clouds have been moved to the west. I'm not sure if I can hold this camera until the rain comes to me. I have to go to shelter. But don't forget, the rain, the wind, the nature, the sound, the soil, the trees, the sky, the water are to observe. To hear the waterfall. Down there, there's a waterfall. Right over there. This way. We can't see it, but we can hear it. Not sure about you, but I can hear it. I like this side of the mountains too. Over this way, I can see the sunrise and a clear day. Over this way, I can see the sunset. Quite fascinating. Okay, it's more than 7 minutes. See you guys. Maybe tomorrow. Peace.